Dishes and sinks on your done.
Colton! Look. I need to get ready.
Okay. Hold on.
See, he has muscles, but he's so skinny in his arms.
You don't have a picture of his ex-wife anymore?
Nicole sent me one.
Oh, they know with her too, probably too, huh?
Archie.
That's good. That's the end of the recording.